From this video, you will learn 3 steps to fart your way to make money online. I said fart your way to make money online, literally. Stay tuned till the end of the video because we will cover these 3 steps, step by step. The first one is an idea, the core idea, which is the basic of human needs, which is why we are all in the internet. Number 2 is doing one thing that we always do, but this time we will do it to make money. And the third one, free softwares, tools that you need. So I mentioned fart your way to make money online. Go to YouTube. Before we go to the first step, we need to understand why I say $200 per hour. Because $200 per hour, considering you will work around 8 hours per day, or you work, no one can work. First of all, why $200 per hour? Because back when I started, I wanted to make $1,000 per day. And for making $1,000 per day, I was ready to work 8 hours per day. And for that, I would make $125 per hour. But later, even $5,000 per day became not so exciting. So I'm considering $200 per hour would make you $1,600 per day, and someday you will not work 8 hours, so you'll work 6 hours, another day you'll work 8 hours, another day you'll work 4 hours. So together you keep making $1,000 per day. Considering that, I'm making this video and sharing the core idea how you can make this amount of money. And it's really easy, and for that you don't need your own experience. You don't need technical knowledge. You don't need a website, but you can have them all and actually make a lot more money. So let us begin. Before that, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. As this way, YouTube will notify you about our next uploads before everyone else. And hit the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media followers or connections, so they also learn how easy it is to make money online. And in this way, you help them and you look cool in front of them because you're helping them learn how to make money online. So the step number 1 is the core idea. If you have watched my other videos, I showed you how you can make money using many different platforms. They pay you for doing simple tasks like clicks, attend surveys, which are basically clicks, watching videos, viewing ads. But deep down in the core, look at those platforms and websites. Ask yourself, why are they paying? Why are they spending money? Nobody wants to spend money, but they are spending. They are paying us to do some simple tasks. Why? The reason is only one, which is the lifeblood of internet. And that is why we are all here in the internet. Without this, the internet will not survive. No website will survive. No company will survive. And with this only one factor, every online business can nourish and flourish, make literally any amount of money. And that one thing is visitors, traffic. This is called online traffic or internet traffic. Online visitors. So we visit social media sites like YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook. We use Google, we use Quora, we use many other websites, even Netflix, right? All these are websites. But when we visit, they make money. Without these visitors, nobody makes money. So all those platforms that I showed you and I will show you in my past, present, and future videos, they will all make you money by doing simple clicks. But ask yourself how many hours can you only click and make $200 an hour? Is this really possible? Well, there are 2 ways to improve. Today, maybe you will make $10. Tomorrow, you will make $20. Day after tomorrow, $30 or $100 or $200. Look, it's only 8 hours you have, and really, most people cannot work more than 8 hours. And even working 8 hours straight is exhausting, almost impossible, even if you make a lot of money. So you need to do either working fast or working smart. So what is working fast? You take those actions fast, you do those tasks fast, and most of these websites will shut you down because they will think you're a bot. You're not a human. So why do I make those videos? I make those videos, and every other YouTuber will make those videos to inspire you to start making money and think about how do they make money so you can take actions like them and make money. So those websites, all those platforms are adding value to your life by paying you some money by taking actions like viewing ads, watching videos, or clicking on sweepstakes, or participating in surveys. All of them will pay you unlimited amount of money for referrals. So the way to scale up is to send more traffic to them. So it's all about traffic. It's all about generating visitors. Now, we understand the basics. This is the foundation. I had to say it. Look, back when I started this YouTube channel, I only made videos for my customers who already paid for my products. So I did not care about the other YouTube viewers who would like to watch videos. So I did not get views. I did not get noticed. My videos were there, but they were not noticed by people. They were not ranked by YouTube. They were not featured by YouTube, suggested by YouTube, or promoted by YouTube. Only my customers were benefited. But later, when I wanted to promote this channel, I started hanging out with YouTube superstars and mentors. They told me I should make videos about what people want to watch. Then I will start getting attention. And now, within very short time, we're about to hit 1,000 views per day, which is amazing because it's traffic, right? End of the day. Now I'm gonna show you how you can get traffic from YouTube using fart. That's why I said from this video you will learn how to fart your way to the bank and make $200 per hour. Look at YouTube, check with fart. How many videos you found? Don't worry about it. 2.13 million monthly searches on YouTube about fart. Now, fart doesn't always have to be a funny stuff or something that you don't want me to talk about. It can be a health issue. It can be prank. It can be comedy. Comedy is really not easy. It's really hard to make people laugh. But using fart, there are so many people became comedian and got millions of views. There are cartoons, there are pranks, there's so many different topics, and I really could not help watching this clip of the movie Click. You know what it is. 3.4 million views. Now, this is a 2-minute clip from a movie about farting on the boss scene. Now, you might argue all these channels are already established channels and they already have a lot of subscribers. No, it's not true. The truth is, everyone starts somewhere and everyone starts from zero. Like my friends told me, if you make videos or content about what other people are looking for, then your contents will be liked, engaged, and shared through other channels, and YouTube algorithm will take notice, and then YouTube will promote your videos and you will get views from YouTube. This whole thing starts rolling and it adds authority to your channel. More authority your channel gets, YouTube algorithm will push your videos and you keep on getting more and more views. Now, it's really about understanding the core of the whole internet thing, how internet works. It's all about getting more views and more traffic. And that was step number 1. And step number 2, I said, do one thing that we always do. Okay, I get it. You might be thinking you don't want to make this kind of videos. It doesn't matter. You can make videos about any topic. I just gave you an example to make it funny. I know it was not funny because I'm not laughing. I'm not even trying to make it funny. I just wanted to show you how crazy people's interests could be. And you can leverage those interests, create simple contents that I will show you in the 3rd step. And 3rd step is the easiest because it comes with my software, 100% free, link in the description. But don't go there now. Step number 2 is important. The step number 2 is doing what we always do. Asking. We ask for, give me food, give me money. Hey, listen to me. I am talking. Check it out. Can you pass this to someone, please? We always say these things. We ask for help. And the simple ask for help is, please give me this. Please take it. We will make content and we will share our own content to our friends and family and social media contacts and everyone else. This kind of broad and generally acceptable and entertaining topic can be shared across the social media to all your social media channels, to your friends and family, to anyone. I really wanted to have some fun. I really wanted to share some cool information, nice information or education. Please share this, please watch this and let me know how you feel about this, what I could improve. etc., etc. But you can always ask one thing: hey, please watch it and please share with your friends and family. That will give you an instant boost in views of your videos. Now, in our case, we make these videos for you to inspire you, so you learn how to make easy contents using people's interest and using my softwares that are always in the links in the description, and get a lot of traffic and make a lot of money from any way you want to make. If that inspires you and you think this is a good video and our videos are good videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. And don't forget, please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, so they also learn how easy it is to make contents, get traffic, and make money online. Now the step number 3 are actually making those videos, which is the easiest way to do. Number 1 is, if you simply look around and browse around, you'll have hundreds of ideas how to make videos. Now I'll give you a couple of cool ideas. Number 1, if I would make fart videos, I would first go and check how to create fart sound, because I'm not always ready to fart and record my own fart. Okay, that's a crazy thing to say, but I said it. So I would go to YouTube and try to learn how to make fart sound, and then I will look for royalty-free fart sound, and I'm sure I will get it. I will get a lot of them on places like Epidemic Sound and Artlist.io. I subscribe to both of them, and also Envato Elements, and I'll find those sounds. All I have to do is to put them into my software with some images. That could be cartoon images, that could be royalty-free images, but just make it funny. If I want to add a story, I will add a story. If I don't know any story, I will simply Google fart-related story. Look, the first one is 11 people share their embarrassing public fart story. Really, if you really want to make that money and have some fun along the way, now is the right time. Get any idea that inspires you. For me, because we have a company that makes tools, trainings, softwares for people who are trying to make money online or who are already making money online, especially for the entrepreneurs, online entrepreneurs. We are inspired to tell you stories about how to make money online. But if your case is different, if your case might be medical, your case might be science, your case might be just fun, your case might be prank, your case might be cartoon. So your interest will tell you what to do, but follow your interest. This is the right time to start making contents and getting all the traffic you want to get. And from there, drive all the traffic to your related affiliate links or referral links or your opt-in pages. In case you don't have opt-in pages, remember, every website starts with an opt-in page. Facebook starts with an opt-in page. Google starts with an opt-in page. Everybody wants to connect with their audience, so they ask for their emails. If you don't have one, use my software link in the description. This software turns any PDF, an ebook, a short story, or any PDF into your opt-in page. And this PDF becomes your lead magnet, and the PDF will turn, and the PDF will bring in referral traffic as well. So it's amazing. Go ahead, it's free software, get it and use it. If you don't have any website, forget about it right now. Use the software to make opt-in page, use it as your first website, and then start creating contents that people love to watch and enjoy. And they will follow you wherever you go, and then you can ask them to sign up to your mailing list. You can ask them to go to your referral link and try something. You can ask them to buy something, or you can simply ask them to visit your website, and then do whatever you want to do. When you have traffic, you are the richest person on earth. So I hope this video was inspiring, and I hope this video opens a huge opportunity in front of you. If yes, or even if it's no, we put a lot of effort to put these things together, giving away our softwares, our knowledge, our expertise, our information and education. Hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will inspire us to make more and more videos like this. And also hit the share button and share this video with your friends and family and your social media contacts, so they also learn how easy it is to make money online, and you will be a cool person in front of them for sharing awesome information. And we will see you in the next video.